Thank you for choosing a Jason electric throw blanket. Here is how to use your heated electric throw for maximum comfort and safety. When unpacking your new Jason electric throw blanket, and before each use, inspect your heated throw for any damage, wear, or exposed wiring. Never use if damaged. Ensure it's fully unfolded with no creases, and keep the power cord away from hot surfaces and sharp objects. Always switch off and unplug before connecting the controller. Push the controller plug firmly into the socket until it is secure. To remove, lift the locking tab and pull straight out, never pull the cable. Use only the supplied controller. Plug directly into the wall socket, never use power boards, timers, extension cords, smart plugs or adapters. To turn on, hold the on/off button for 5 seconds until you see a red 8 feet and hear 3 beeps. Press temp to cycle through settings. 1 for low, 2 to 5 for medium, 6 to 8 for warmest, and H for preheating only. The high heat setting will automatically drop to setting 1 after 1 hour. Use as an over blanket only, wrap around your body or drape over legs. When wrapping around shoulders or legs, keep the controller connection at the bottom facing outward. Never use it in bed while sleeping, or as an under blanket. Never leave your heated throw unattended while on. Don't cover the controller or place near heat sources. Keep cords visible and hanging freely, never tuck them into furniture. Always handle with dry hands and do not use with hot water bottles. Before cleaning, always refer to the individual care instructions provided with your heated electric throw. Disconnect controllers and cords completely, and never wash controllers or cords. Hand wash once yearly in cold or lukewarm water with mild soap only. Do not use bleach or fabric softener. Soak for 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly, and never twist or wring. Air dry flat in shade, avoiding direct sunlight. When storing, ensure your heated throw is completely cool and dry. Roll loosely to avoid damaging heating elements and place in a cool, dry place with nothing on top. Disconnect your controller, coil the cords loosely and store the controller separately. Follow these steps for safe, cozy warmth and relaxation.